Folks, I've seen it all when it comes to cars. From steam-powered antiques to today's hypercars, the journey from those early clattering machines to the sleek high-tech vehicles of today is nothing short of astonishing. But what's happening right now in 2027 is the biggest shift yet. We used to judge cars by their engines and horsepower, by the roar under the hood and the thrill of acceleration. Now, the real magic is in the software. Lines of code are the new camshafts and carburetors. The brains of the car have moved from the garage to the cloud, and it's changing everything about how we drive. Your new Ford, Rivian or Cadillac isn't just a machine. It's a powerful computer on wheels. It's got processors, memory, and an operating system just like your phone or laptop. These cars are packed with sensors and chips, constantly processing information to keep you safe and connected. And this software controls everything: power delivery, suspension, brakes, safety systems. Even the way your seat feels or how your headlights adapt to the road ahead is managed by code. It's a digital nervous system, making your car smarter and more efficient than ever. Back in the day, your car's features were set in stone. If you wanted a new feature, you had to wait for the next model year, or buy a whole new car. If you wanted something new, you had to buy a new car. Now your car is designed to evolve. With a simple software update, your vehicle can gain new abilities, fix bugs, or even improve performance overnight. The industry calls this the software-defined vehicle, or SDV. The hardware is built to be capable, but it's the software that unlocks its full potential. Think of it as a platform, ready for whatever the future brings. Updates and improvements can happen long after you drive off the lot. Your vehicle is no longer a static object. It's a living, evolving part of your digital life. It grows with you, adapting to your needs and the world around you. This is a game changer for car lovers and tech fans alike. The future of driving is here, and it's defined by code. Buckle up, because the road ahead is smarter, faster, and more exciting than ever before. So, how does your car get better over time? The answer is over-the-air updates, or OTA. It's a revolutionary way for your vehicle to evolve, even after you've driven it off the lot. Just like your smartphone, your car can now download new features, bug fixes, and performance improvements while you sleep, all without you lifting a finger. No more dealership visits, no tangled wires, just seamless wireless updates through your home Wi-Fi or even cellular networks, making the process effortless. Tesla was the pioneer, setting the standard for OTA updates, but now the entire auto industry is following suit. GM's Ultifi, Ford's Blue Cruise, Rivian, Stellantis, Hyundai, Kia, they're all pushing updates that add features, enhance safety, or improve performance, keeping your car at its best. It's a tech arms race, and drivers are winning, getting smarter, safer, and more enjoyable cars without ever leaving home. Your car notifies you when an update's ready, often with a simple alert on your dashboard, or even a ping on your phone. You schedule it overnight, tap accept, and let the car do the rest. The update installs while you sleep, so you wake up to a better ride. In the morning, it's like you have a new and improved model, sometimes with features you didn't even know were possible when you bought it. Updates can change everything from acceleration and battery management to infotainment, navigation, and even driver assistance systems. The process is simple, secure, and now standard for any competitive car. Security checks ensure your updates are safe and reliable. Your garage is now a portal for automotive innovation, where your car quietly transforms while you rest. The car you bought last year might surprise you tomorrow, with new capabilities and smarter tech appearing overnight. That's the magic of OTA, your car, always evolving, always getting smarter, even while you sleep. At first, OTA updates seemed like they'd just fix bugs or update your radio, but now, they're transforming what your car can actually do. Updates can boost your range, improve acceleration, or refine the ride, all without new hardware. It's like having a team of engineers fine-tuning your car every few months. New features arrive, security modes, advanced driver assists, even games or light shows. Your car never feels old. 3 years in, it might be better than when you bought it. This keeps your ride fresh, modern, and valuable. You're not just buying a car, you're joining an ecosystem that keeps getting better. The days of a car feeling outdated are over. Now, your car evolves with you. Let's talk about the real brains of the operation, artificial intelligence. By 2027, nearly every new car has a built-in AI agent. This isn't just a voice assistant, it's a true co-pilot, making your drive safer and more personal. The AI processes data from cameras, radar, and microphones, understanding the world around you in real time. It helps you navigate, stay comfortable, and stay safe. You can have natural conversations with it. Ask for a burger joint on your route, and it'll find one. It's proactive, suggesting earlier departures if traffic builds up or adjusting routes on the fly. The AI can act too, turning on wipers when it rains or suggesting a break if you seem tired. This partnership between driver and AI makes the modern car feel smart and intuitive. It's not science fiction, it's your daily drive. What does this look like day to day? How does artificial intelligence actually fit into our everyday lives beyond the headlines and tech buzzwords? Imagine a cold Monday morning when every minute counts and comfort matters. Your car knows your routine, preheats the cabin, loads your route, and sets your favorite radio station before you even get in. It's like having a personal assistant who anticipates your needs. It recognizes who's driving and adjusts everything to your profile, from seat position to climate control, making every drive uniquely yours. On a road trip, the AI manages energy use, plans charging stops, and maximizes efficiency. It even suggests scenic detours or the best places to stop for a break. Safety is where AI shines. It sees hazards before you do, pre-charges brakes, and can even apply emergency braking. It's always alert, even when you're distracted. It detects kids running into the street, or cars drifting into your blind spot, giving you precious extra seconds to react. The AI's lightning-fast reflexes make roads safer for everyone, reducing accidents and helping you avoid close calls. Your car is more than transportation. It's a smart, attentive partner that learns and adapts to your habits over time. Every drive is tailored, efficient, and protected, whether you're commuting or exploring new places. The result? Less stress, more confidence, and a safer journey for you and your loved ones. This is the new standard for American cars. Intelligent, responsive, and designed for real life. The future is here, and it's looking out for you, every mile of the way. Welcome to the age of the AI co-pilot, where technology and trust go hand in hand. The intelligence of your car doesn't stop when you park. With vehicle-to-grid V2G tech, your car's battery can power your home during blackouts or help stabilize the grid during peak demand. You can even get paid for sharing energy, all while keeping enough charge for your needs. Cars now talk to each other. Vehicle to everything. V2X communication warns you about hazards ahead or approaching emergency vehicles. Fleets use this connectivity to optimize routes and maintenance, making deliveries faster and more reliable. For you, it means safer roads and smarter energy use. Your car is now part of a larger network, shaping the world around it. The software-defined vehicle is more than a ride. It's a key player in our connected future. So, what does this revolution mean for you? Driving in 2027 is smarter, safer, and more fun. Your car anticipates your needs, manages energy, and keeps you connected. Over-the-air updates mean your car always feels new. Advanced sensors and AI co-pilots react to danger faster than any human. Safety tech like emergency braking and blind spot alerts are saving lives. Personalization makes your car truly yours. Music, climate, and routes tailored to you. Fun features and surprises arrive with every update. The car empowers you, handling the tedious parts so you can enjoy the drive. It's the classic love of the open road, supercharged by technology. There's never been a better time to be behind the wheel. As advanced as today's cars are, we're just getting started. The hardware is built for future features. Engineers can unlock new abilities for years. Soon, you'll buy or subscribe to features on demand, right from your dashboard. Need advanced snow driving for a weekend? Activate it with a tap. Want more hands-free autonomy for a road trip? Subscribe for the journey. AI will get even more conversational and predictive, understanding your mood and habits. Your car will sync with your home and devices, blurring the line between car and personal tech. Pulling into your driveway could trigger your house to light up and adjust the thermostat. The car is becoming your most powerful personal device. The journey is just beginning. We've seen how the American car has become a rolling supercomputer, evolving with every update. Over-the-air upgrades, AI co-pilots, and endless new features are now reality. The car is no longer just hardware, it's a service, a partner, and a platform for innovation. The car you buy today is just the starting point. So here's my question. If you could download any new feature to your car tomorrow, what would it be? Augmented reality navigation, an AI tour guide, something wild we haven't imagined yet. The future is in your driveway. What do you want it to do? Let us know what would make your driving life better, easier, or just more fun.